Und habe die Ehre zum nächsten Let's Play. Diesmal zocken wir Doom 3, der erste Ego-Shooter, den wir aufnehmen. Und jetzt wollen wir erstmal noch einen Mod aktivieren. So, und zwar an German Mode, weil das Spiel ja eigentlich in Englisch ist. So, Optionen. Ich habe aber noch einen anderen Spielernamen. Untertitel Deutsch. So, und ab geht's. Und zwar als Marine.
The Union Aerospace Corporation is the largest corporate entity in existence. Originally focused on weapon and defense contracts, new ventures have expanded into biological research, space exploration, and other scientific endeavors. With unlimited funds and the ability to engage in research outside of moral and legal obligations, the UAC controls the most advanced technology ever conceived.
Incoming transport detected.
Mars approach, Dark Star with you, 07063, passing through 38,000.
Roger, Dark Star. Descend to 2000, set speed, contact ground on 26972.
Roger that, tower.
We have them on radar, sir. They'll be landing in a few moments.
Excellent. See that Counselor Swan is sent directly to me.
Yes, sir.
Tower, Dark Star on final.
We've got you, Dark Star. You are set for lockdown. Welcome back.
I can't believe it's come to this. I didn't want to come here.
He left you no choice.
True, but this is the last time. I'm tired of running damage control every time he makes a mess.
Right. You're the control. And if that fails, I'm the damage.
If that's what it takes, the Kruger is going to start doing things our way.
Whatever you say, Counselor.
Ja, und jetzt sind wir da am Mars.
Welcome to Mars. All new arrivals need to check in at reception.
Oh, die Dolly.
Welcome to Mars City, Union Aerospace's premier research facility. To expedite your processing, please proceed directly to reception.
So, wen haben wir da?
I gotta get out of here.
So, jetzt verstehen wir zum ersten Mal, was die alle sagen. Weil ja das Spiel eigentlich in Englisch ist.
Welcome to Mars, Marine. I'm gonna need you to step on one of those red squares on the floor for a bioscan. This'll only take a second. Okay, let me get this started. You're gonna need to hold still. Moving around only makes the test take longer. Alright, bioscan looks good. You're cleared for entry.
So, jetzt haben wir einen Eintritt.
On behalf of the UAC, welcome to Mars City. This facility serves as the central hub for all scientific research,
Attention,
archaeological
Director
study,
Banks,
and military
please report to
operations.
Central Administration.
Goal number 1 at the UAC is the safety and well-being of
So,
all
jetzt müssen wir
employees and
erstmal einchecken.
to help achieve this goal, we ask you to
zwar-
follow all UAC corporate procedures at all times. This includes restricting your movement.
Welcome to Mars. First time? You can just leave your bag there. I'll have it sent up to your quarters. Okay, there's a few things we need to take care of first. This is your personal data assistant. You'll need this to access all secure areas. If you get clearance for any security zones, it'll download directly. It's important, so don't lose it. I see here that Sergeant Kelly has requested your immediate attention. Head directly to Marine Command. It's just that way. Follow the signs.
So, jetzt haben wir PDA gekriegt, wo wir ständig Einsatzdaten kriegen. So, Marine Base.
Mars City is a smoke-free facility. Please smoke only in designated areas. Thank you for your cooperation.
Haven't seen you before. You must be with that new detachment coming to check on us.
Ja, wir sind neu hier.
I'm here because there seems to be some very serious problems.
Oh, really? Do I need to remind you of the groundbreaking work that we're doing here?
No, but I've been authorized by the board to look at everything.
The board authorized you? The board doesn't know the first thing about science. All they want is something to make them more money, some product. Don't worry, they'll get their product.
After how many accidents? Tell me, Dr. Betruger, why are so many workers spooked, complaining, requesting transfers off Mars?
They simply can't handle life here. They're exhausted and overworked. If I had a larger, more competent staff and bigger budget, even these few accidents could have been avoided.
I'm afraid you'll get nothing more until my report is filed with the board. I will need full access, Dr. Betruger, Delta included. I won't have any difficulties doing that, will I?
Only if you get lost, Swan. Just stay out of my way. Amazing things will happen here soon. You just wait.
Let's go.
So, auf die Typen treffen wir noch öfters. Jetzt möchten wir erstmal zum Marinestützpunkt.
Listen, buddy, you don't have clearance for this area. Move along.
Kein Zutritt, dann hauen wir ab. Zugang verweigert.
I don't think I've seen you before. You must be a replacement for one of the guys we lost.
Yeah, so those suits arrived too. Weird. The UAC must be
Haben wir da
worried about
richtig?
something.
Marinecenter, da hinten. Das hört sich gut auf.
Attention, Dr. Braddock, please report to Environment Management Office or
Report to
Alpha.
Sergeant Kelly ASAP. He's in Command HQ.
Okay, alles klar.
This is Delta Science Management. We would like to request another security team here in Delta.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Took your sweet time, Marine? Now, here's the situation. Another member of the science team's gone missing. Since you're the ranking FNG, you get to find him. I want you to check out the old decommissioned comm facility. We heard he might be heading that way. The only way there is through the service passage under Mars City. I've programmed this sentry to guide you to the maintenance elevator. I hope you follow the sentry better than you've followed orders so far. You'll pick up some gear at the security checkpoint at the bottom of the elevator. Oh, and when you find him, just bring him back. Do not hurt him. Now move out.
So, finden Sie den Wartungseingang. Und wo haben wir den? Macht das Ding doch. Wollen wir den noch laufen?
Attention UAC personnel. Interested in earning more credits? Volunteer at Delta Labs today. See your service branch director for more details.
No? What? He said that he saw something.
The UAC cares about the quality of life of its employees. Please take advantage of our quality medical care services.
Ja, wo läuft er denn hin? So, und jetzt? Finden Sie Adams PDA in der Küche, um diesen Schrank zu öffnen. Verlasse Mars City. So, jetzt haben wir in Mars City Unterstadt.
Welcome to the dungeon, Marine. Most unexciting place on Mars. I'm gonna need you to grab some armor and secure your pistol before I can pass you through security. Okay, grab your gear.
Jetzt kriegen wir unsere erste Ausrüstung.
Now you're ready for combat. Let me do a radio test. MarsSec radio check. Excellent. Good signal.
So, unsere erste Knarre.
Looks like you've been assigned the decommissioned comm facility. Just follow the main passage through the underground junction, then straight out. You'll have a quick evac. And what better way to see the Martian surface than to run across it? Okay, you're all set. Oh yeah, keep in mind, civilians are working down here. Don't get excited and shoot any.
So, wie war das? Erreiche altes Kommgebäude. Okay, dann schauen wir mal.
Oh, haven't seen anyone new down this way in quite some time. Welcome to the dungeon, brother.
Ach.
Enjoy your stay.
Quatsch mir nicht lang voll. Jetzt schauen wir mal da hinten. Energieausgleich.
Hey! You're looking for the scientist, right? I'm not sure you want to find him. You see... never mind.
Listen, Scotty. I've done this a million times. It's not that hard.
Why don't you crawl your fat ass down here and do it yourself?